He sits there, staring at math like it's a different language. The numbers don't make sense. Time keeps ticking, and frustration starts building. He feels tired already, not because math is impossible, but because he's doing it the wrong way. Something has to change. The clock keeps reminding him. Time is passing, but progress? Almost zero. He wonders, is he just bad at math, or is there a smarter way to learn it? Here's the truth. Fast learners don't work harder. They think differently. So he decides to try a new approach. No more random studying. This time, he sits with full focus. He starts with the basics. No pressure, no rushing, just understanding the simple ideas first. Instead of attacking the whole subject at once, he breaks it into smaller pieces. Suddenly, math feels less scary. He creates a checklist, and with every completed task, his confidence grows little by little. He sets a timer for 25 minutes. No distractions, just pure concentration. He focuses deeply. For the first time, he's fully present, and things begin to click. After studying, he takes a short break. Rest isn't wasting time. It's helping his brain recharge. He explains the lesson out loud. Teaching himself makes everything much clearer. He starts drawing diagrams and writing steps. Visualizing the problem helps him understand faster. And finally, he solves a problem correctly. It's a small victory, but it feels amazing. He stops fearing mistakes. Instead, he studies them because mistakes are actually teachers. He reviews his notes calmly. No stress, just steady improvement. He uses flashcards to strengthen his memory. Repetition slowly turns confusion into confidence. He keeps important formulas where he can see them. Familiarity makes learning easier. Practice becomes a habit. And with every problem, his skills get stronger. Now he's solving questions faster, not because he's rushing, but because he understands. He checks his answers carefully. Speed matters, but accuracy matters even more. He celebrates small wins, because every step forward deserves recognition. He remembers to take care of himself. Even simple things like drinking water help him stay sharp. After resting, he comes back stronger. Consistency is becoming his secret weapon. He removes distractions because focus is too valuable to waste. The phone no longer controls his attention. He decides what deserves his time. He writes important formulas neatly. Organized notes create organized thinking. He revisits old problems, and surprisingly, they seem much easier now. This is the turning point. Math no longer feels impossible. It finally feels manageable. He challenges himself with a timer, not to create pressure but to build speed naturally. He still makes mistakes, but now he knows how to fix them quickly. He teaches what he learns, and teaching becomes one of the best ways to master math. He explains concepts with confidence. Understanding has replaced guessing. He feels proud, not because it was easy, but because he refused to give up. He walks forward with confidence. He's no longer the same person who once felt hopeless. Studying feels peaceful now. No panic, no fear. Just focus. Even difficult problems don't scare him anymore. He tackles them one step at a time, and once again, he finds the answer. Another challenge solved. This is his breakthrough moment. Smart study and hard work are finally paying off. He remembers how confused he used to be, and he can't help but smile. He compares the old version of himself with the new one. The difference is incredible. His progress is real, and seeing that progress motivates him even more. He sets new goals because growth never truly stops. He writes down one simple reminder. Keep going, that's all he needs. Now he studies with calm confidence. Fear has been replaced by belief. He finishes his study session feeling satisfied, not exhausted, just proud. He closes the book gently. Another productive day is complete. He looks up and smiles because he finally understands something important. Math didn't become easier. He became better, and if he can do it, so can you. If you found this video helpful, then you're already taking steps towards success. Keep learning, keep improving, and never stop believing in yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.